Welcome back to my channel, YouTubers, and thanks for tuning back. And today I want to show you how I do self-portrait, taking pictures of yourself. So as the word explains, there's no one to help me take the pictures, but I'm doing it myself. So what am I using to do that? I'm using my Canon 6D. I'm using the 70-200 f2.8 lens. It's a Canon lens as well. And I'm also using an app on the phone, the iPhone. It's a Canon app which works as a remote. So as I'm standing in front of the camera, then I use the app to trigger the camera for a shot. Then I'll show you the end product of the pictures that I've taken. So stay tuned and let's see the video. This is how I do my own portrait shoot. I'm using the ring light and then the Canon there, and I'm using feature, Canon feature here, to shoot. It's a remote shoot. That's how I do the self-portrait. So if it's the first time that you're tuning into my channel, please make sure to subscribe. And thank you, and I'll see you the next time. My name is Neo Morabedi. This is Get Informed 2, and signing out.